This is gonna be a very, very healthy recipe from Chef Ricardo cooking. Alright. So basically I have some spinach right here. Alright. And we all know that spinach have a lot of health benefit, which we all know that. Because me myself, I love my spinach. Alright, so I'm gonna simply show you how to do yourself some spinach at home, alright? With red onion and cucumber and all the bits. So cut up your red onion. Alright, into some small pieces. So you wanna loose up the red onion. Red onion is very also good for weight loss. Alright guys, a lot of people doesn't know that, but I'm gonna show you a little bit of secret today. Alright, get my big knife. Get some cucumber cut up. Alright, into some small pieces. You see how this look already? Nice one. We got some spring onion, which we are also going to be using. Alright. So that look nice. We have some, oh, I got some celery. Some more celery and spring onion. Alright, I got half a more cucumber. One. Everything you have to cut them really chunky, alright? Because you want something to chew in your mouth, alright? Just mix it up together. Alright. So we don't need any tomato inside of this. Alright. What we're going to do is get half of a lemon. Alright, guys, I want you to get half of a lemon. And simple, what we're going to do now is squeeze it up inside of it, alright? So that means you guys can see exactly what's going on right here. So squeeze the lemon juice in it. Don't let the seed get inside of it, alright? See? You just want to squeeze this bit. Nice one. Now we have another piece right here. Just gonna squeeze it out outside of it. Like this. Lovely. Nice. We got some orange. Nice one. Also, got some chisel seed. I'm gonna put inside of it. Coarse pepper. Alright, got some chili. So that look nice. So that's exactly what you want to do right here. That's exactly what you want to do. Not only that, I think I got some more recipe over here we can also put on it. So definitely give it what you're looking for, you know what I mean? Because right here also, this is exactly what we are looking for. Gonna put some sunflower seed. Alright. So the sunflower seed definitely going to give it a finish off. Pumpkin seed. Just put a little bit of a honey around it, alright? Yeah. So that is a perfect green salad. I can put a little bit of a ginger powder on it. Awesome. And I think I'm pretty sure I have, yeah, cayenne pepper. You can put a little bit of a cayenne pepper also. Alright, inside of it. Just a beautiful salad. I want you guys to just enjoy it, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo team, as you can see. A detox salad recipe from Chef Ricardo. Alright? Hopefully you guys will like this one, and you know what I mean, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. That's what happened in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo today. Do you see what's going on? Yeah, I hate that, man. Nothing more else. See you next time, guys. We love you all. Alright? More recipe, tips on tops of tips, ideas and top of ideas from Chef Ricardo. Alright? Beautiful one. And this is, as I said, is from this is from the healthy side, and this is how we normally do it on the healthy side. Alright, so yeah, if you like the recipe, please subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Weight loss detox salad recipe. Stay tuned.